Hey there, welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to create Shopify policy page by one click. Shopify policy page is important for Shopify dropshipping or other business. Shopify basically e-commerce platform, then policy is most important for any product sale or etc. But you need to go when you create a Shopify policy page, then customer trusted and more featured automatically you got. But you need to create Shopify policy page by one click. You need to go settings. First click settings. When click settings, scroll down. You can a option policy. Click policy. Then scroll down. You can see many policy, refund policy, then privacy policy, then terms and service, shipping policy. Most all of our policy is important, but if is better you write this policy by your hand. If you not possible this, you can create this by one click. How to click? How to create one click? First, go to your this page, return return and refund policy, and you can see a option create from template. Click here, then you can see a option your page is created, but you need to go some setup. If you want, you can edit and you can everything, no worry. But same process for privacy policy. You can see this page, then you can see option create from template. Click create from template. You can see your privacy policy page is created. Then last option you can see terms and service. Then you can see option create from template. Click here. This page already created. Then shipping policy is different. You need to create is by hand, or you need to create your help or ChatGPT or another AI. Don't worry. If you need any expert help, then they can set up this very easily. If you need any Shopify expert help, check my video description. You can get a email contact here. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.